Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and what I have here is the Chino Slim Fit Children's Place pants. These are the color New Navy, and as you can see, it is a very dark blue. This is a size 6. He is 6 years old, so they do fit true to size. He's also about 4 feet tall, so that is the size that we went with. Now, these have a really nice soft feel to them. The slim fit was perfect for him because he is on the skinny side, and with these, we don't then have to use these little bands that make it tighter. But if your child is even smaller than mine, you could. I definitely would say that if you are going to go with the slim fit, it is for a child that is on the skinnier side. The waistband is definitely a lot smaller. We think that these are a great pant, whether it's for a school uniform, you just want your child to look a little bit more dressed up and snazzy, or just instead of jeans. They are really, really wonderful, and that is our point of view.